Hello students, let us discuss program of 8-bit multiplication. Program statement. Two 8-bit numbers are stored at memory location 4150H and 4151H. Multiply these two numbers and store result at memory location 4152H, and if carry is generated then store it at memory location 4153H. Before discussing flowchart, let us discuss logic of this program. To understand logic of multiplication of two numbers, let us take an example where we have to multiply 4 and 3. First number, according to program statement, first number is at 4150H, second number is at here. We have to represent answer at 4152H and carry at 4153H. In microprocessor programming, there is no such kind of instruction by using which we can multiply these two numbers directly. So we have to form multiplication in the form of repetitive addition. That means here we have to multiply 4 3 times. So let us do that. Here we have selected register D to store carry. That means initially we have to initialize register D as a 00. Here we have to multiply these two numbers by using addition, and addition operation is related with the accumulator. For that, let us initialize first accumulator as a 00. Then we have to initialize HL pair by 4150H. That means now HL pair pointing towards the first number. We have to move that first number into register B. Then we have to increment HL pair, and that HL pair now locate second number which is at 4151H. Then we have to move that second number in register C. Here we have to perform multiplication. For that we have to add number 4 3 times. So let us select register C as a counter. Initially we have loaded accumulator with 00. Register B include first number, that is 04. So here what is the result of the operation? It is 04. So first time we have added these two number. We have to decrement counter by 1. Then now accumulator contains 04. Register B contains number 04. So 4 plus 4, it will become 8. So this is first time, this is second time. Then now accumulator contain 08. Register B contain 04. So here in decimal it is 012. Okay, so not 012, it is just 12. So here this is the result that we want, but this result is expressed in hexadecimal format at 4152H. And when we perform addition, we have to check carry. If carry is generated, we have to increment register D by 1. If carry is not generated, we will have to keep the content of the register D as it is. So we have to move that information through accumulator at 4153H. Now let us discuss flowchart. First start, then we have to clear register D. That means we have to load 00 in register D. So we are using register D to store carry. Then we have to clear accumulator by loading it 00. Then initialize HL pair with memory address 4150H. It contains first number. we have to move that first number into register B. Then we have to increment HL pair by 1. Now HL pair pointing towards the second number. We have to move that second number to register C. So this is the initialization and some transfer process that we have performed at here. Then we have to perform main operation, that is addition. We have to add content of B to A. And where is result? Result is stored at accumulator register A. Then we have to check whether carry is generated or not. Is carry generated, then we have to increment register D by 1. Register D is allotted for carry. If not, then we have to skip that part. So we have performed addition one time. That means we have to decrement our register C, which is counter, which now includes the second number. So decrement C by 1. Then we have to check whether that register C is 0 or not. Then if not 0, we have to perform addition again. So here we have to form loop at here. Then if register C contains 0 0, then we have to stop addition. Then we have to proceed. Now accumulator contains result of the operation, that is multiplication. We have to store that content at memory location 4152H. Then register D contains carry. We have to transfer it at accumulator. Then we have to transfer it at memory location 4153H. So finally the programs ends at here. Then this program starts from 3C00, MVID 00. This is the initialization for carry. Then clear accumulator, load HL pair with first number. Then we have to move that first number to register B. Then we have to increment HL pair. Then we have to move the second number in register C. Register C is counter. We have to add B and A. We have to check carry. If carry is there, then we have to skip that one instruction, which is INRD. Then DCRC, jump on no 0, back. So actually here should be back, BACK. So we have to perform addition again. So remember that here should be back. And STA 4152, that means we have to store result at here, and we have to store result at here by moving content of register D to A, right? So register D will contain carry, and we have to store it at 4153H.